Hi friends, welcome. In this session, I'm going to discuss WebDriver architecture. So what is happening internally when we run our scripts? Okay. We have two components. One is client. Okay. In the client machine, so we are writing our scripts. Okay. In different languages. Okay. Someone will write in Java. Someone will write in Python. Someone may write in C#. So whatever the language. So I'm giving just some pseudo code for logging. Okay. So for logging into an application, we need to first hit the URL. Open the URL. After that, need to enter username. After that, enter password. And after that, click on login or submit, whatever it is. Okay, this is my pseudocode. I'll write based on the syntaxes. I'll write in Java, Python, or C#, whatever it is. The pseudocode is same for all the languages. Okay, right. So this is my client machine. I'm writing my scripts in different languages, right? So this is my pseudocode. All right. So when I run my script, what will happen internally? Okay. So internally, my code need to communicate with the server component, right? So in this, let me write it, server. All right. So in the server, we have two components. One is okay, this is called driver, and this is called browser. Okay. So okay, all right. So how the communication will happen to the browser and driver? Let me show you. So when we run my script in my client machine need to communicate with the server internally. Okay, the communication will happen from server to client and client to server. Okay, through which protocol it will happen with the communication? By using HTTP protocol. Okay, here also by using HTTP protocol. All right, so this is the way protocol for using for communication. All right, so it is directly communicating with the server? No. So when I run my script, whatever the language it will wrote, so my script will convert into JSON code. Okay, so whatever the language, it doesn't matter, it will convert my script into JSON format. Okay, once JSON format is transferred using HTTP protocol, via HTTP protocol, it will read my driver. Okay, now my driver able to understand these JSON commands, right? So in JSON, what will happen? What are the actions I need to perform on the browser? So what are the actions? First, hit the URL and enter the username, enter the password, enter the click on login or submit. So these are all the actions I need to perform. Okay, so my JSON script also will not able to directly talk with my browser. So it will communicate with the driver. My driver will communicate with the browser. So for this, the communication between driver and my browser. Okay. All right. So I have different browsers. Okay. So I have different browsers. Okay. All right. So like Chrome, Firefox, IE, Safari, Opera, like that. Okay, different browsers I have. All right. So for all browsers, even single driver is enough to communicate? No. To communicate with the different browsers, we need to have different drivers. Okay. What are the drivers? And drivers required to communicate with the Chrome. I need Chrome driver. To communicate with the Firefox, I need Gecko driver. Okay, to communicate with IE, I need Internet Explorer driver. All right, these are the different drivers. Okay, for communication with the different browsers. Okay, I decided to communicate with the Chrome browser to execute my script in Chrome browser. What I need to do? I need to download my Chrome driver in my machine, in my local machine. All right. So is it one driver will support all the versions? Again, no. So for different versions of the browser, we have different versions of the drivers as well. So suppose I'm working with a Chrome 91 version. So I need to download Chrome driver, which is supported for 91 version. So if in my system have 92 version of the Chrome, I need to download Chrome driver of 92, which is supported to Chrome browser of 92 version. Okay. So based on my browser version, I need to download my driver as well. All right. Remaining. Okay. All right. So I downloaded my driver in my local system. So now I need to specify where my driver is located in my script. Okay. So I need to tell to my script where my driver is located. So I need to specify the path of my driver. Okay. Then only my script will understand where the driver is. Then driver will communicate with the browser and it will tell, so open the URL, enter some username, enter some password and hit on submit or login. Okay. These are all the actions performed on the browser by using driver. Okay, driver will perform actions on the browser. All right. So once the completed operations are completed, so response given back to the driver. Driver will push the response to the client. So this is all the architecture looks like internally. So we know not to bother about this JSON or HTTP and all. So these are internally happening. So as a user, we are facing this client mission screen only. So this is all internal parts. Okay. And when we run our script internally, this is happening. Okay. Hope you all understand. Thank you.